Here are some best practices for posting on Facebook. Post high quality content. So make sure the content you post is well written, the spelling and grammar is correct, and the post is visually appealing and relevant to your audience. Like this amazing photo of this Sunday roast, which is taken in portrait mode, so it takes up loads of space in the newsfeed, and the caption is really short with a link to book. Remember that Facebook is a visual platform, so using high quality images and videos to grab the attention of your followers always works well. Multi-image posts tend to perform well in terms of engagement, and if you're posting video content, keep it nice and short. I love this photo album of a staff night out, which shows off the pub's personality. Add some personality. Using your own voice, making it chatty, asking questions, or using emojis are great ways to engage your audience. Any way to make your post feel fun and engaging. Give your community an opportunity to share their opinions and thoughts by asking questions. Sharing nostalgia also works well. And don't forget to reply to customers' comments in the thread. The best time to post on Facebook will depend on your audience and their behaviours, but in general, it's a good idea to post or schedule your content when your followers are most active. In the UK, this tends to be the evenings. Have a go at posting or scheduling at a variety of different times and see if you can spot any patterns. Here we're looking at Facebook's inbuilt scheduling tool, Meta Business Suite, which is free to use. And also engage with your followers. Remember, Facebook's a social platform, so make sure to respond to comments and messages and engage directly with your followers. This can help to build some relationships and loyalty. So if you have a post with lots of comments on it, like this example, do look out for opportunities to reply to the comments directly. So to recap, use high quality visuals across Facebook, such as vertical photos, photo albums, and also short videos. Keep your captions short and try and include calls to action where possible, such as links to book. Add some personality to your posts, ask questions, add emojis, and use a chatty tone. Post at key times, for example in the evenings, but don't be afraid to experiment with some unusual times too. And engage with your followers directly. Respond to comments, messages, and be active in your feed. By following these best practices, you can maximize the reach and engagement of your Facebook activity.